Okay, so the steps for this project. First, you want to open up your file. You can either click and drag it in, or you could go to File, Open, and then select the file. I just got this off the internet. One way you can create layers, there's multiple ways to do this, but first thing I would do is unlock the layer, right-click, duplicate the layer, then you can name it whatever you want. Let's call this red. Anyway, so now my red layer's on top. This one, I can rename that one. Click, wait a second, click again. All right, we'll call this one normal. Just kidding, normal. I'll say that normal. Then I select the top layer. I'm going to make it so the bottom layer you can't see. Let's go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. Then we could change the hue of this one. Ooh, fancy. We want this to be, oh, you know what? I like that red look. Click OK. Then I select the bottom one, make sure the bottom one's showing. Now I'll go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. Alright, so red and yellow, that's what we want to do. Let's see if I can get this to look. Alright, you don't want it to look fake, but you do want it to look like whatever colors you're trying to get. Then what I'm doing, so the top layer is red, the bottom layer is yellow. If I erase something from the top layer, it will show through. Alright, so I've got my eraser. If I erase some of this, it's going to show the red, the yellow behind it. I'm going to undo that. If I was erasing, I'm going to zoom in, pressing Z on my keyboard. Zoom in. Then I'll go back to my eraser. The shortcut for the eraser is E. Then the left bracket key, I can make it smaller. In fact, that's a good idea. Maybe I should have created masks. You kind of get what I'm doing. I'm not going to do a very good job on the last little bit, just so you can see
what I'm doing. All right, zoom out.
Awesome, so now my photo has red and yellow. That's a nice little shortcut, what I just did. This is a new one for me. You press Command and then 0.